It hurts, and it's heavy. It's too much today. I never say that to the rain when the wind beats down hard. I have moments where I flinch. The wind ceases and gently breezes so that I may find comfort in the stillness. It whispers, "You can trust yourself." The sun bursts through the clouds like two draping curtains, revealing a beautiful dance. Allow me to warm your broken heart. The flower fields tremble, fall, and rise again. It will be okay, they proclaim with a gentle boldness, with the voice that inspires even the mountains to stand upright and ajar. Nature knows and teaches me.